instance I have to upgrade from this to 4.5. So let me walk you through how you can do that. First of all, we'll have to take the backup. So I have taken the backup of this database and the config file, and I or I would also suggest you should take the backup of the Moodle data. Okay, in case we have in case you have lots of data, you should and you are doing this step on the production, you should take backup of everything. So ideally I will not suggest to do this upgrade on the live server, so you should follow this step on the local, but in my case I don't have much data, that's why I am working here directly on the live. Hostinger, I will try updating that. Okay, so currently you see this is the current running one, that is 4.4, and I have uploaded this my complete zip, and I have also unzipped that one. This because this is linked with my this site. Okay, so this directory is mapped with my this site. Now if I click on the logo, that is Avelox, you can see upgrading Moodle database from Moodle version 4.4 to 4.5 plus, and build, you can also see here it is a date coming. Okay, so this is how you can see the first step, and now I have to click here on continue, and the first check, it will be checking for every variable here. So in case anything is missing, you'll have to fix that, but in my case it's all good. Okay, so I am going to click here continue. Yes, here on this page will take some time. So the question is why backup? In case something wrong was happen here, you'll have to take everything from the backup. Like you'll have the Moodle data, you'll have the database, you'll have the code, so you can easily roll back to now. You can see within 34 seconds you can see it appears everything. Now you can save this report. So I am going to save this this so this was the code in my case, and yes, one HTML. So you'll have to make sure you should have report in case you have to access like instance. So I will have to install each and everything here one by one. Okay, so ideally you should not continue, so I will have to add everything like this. Okay, so now coming to my code part, I will check the attendance that is part of mode. I will have to move. So from here, from
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell.
can install later. Okay, so Boost Magnific I will have to install. Boost Union, and so whatever the theme you will have, you can install it later. You are all welcome. So you can open a config file and you can enable the debugging mode here. Okay, so how you can enable the debug mode? We'll have to put these two lines here. I can put, and I can save it, and I can refresh. Here you can see home domain this, the LMS cache failed to open stream no search file or directory. Okay, so this issue is coming for. Yes, again I can try fixing that issue, and here on local I have tried that, because here you can see that is loader.php, that is not in the code now. So I have replaced that with loader interface.php. Now let me try this complete file here. Well, so here this is the complete dr questions. This is I will have to upload here. So simply I will click on this upload action there, because Moodle 4.5 have deprecated loader .php files here, so it has been replaced with loader interface. So I will try with the same thing. Yes, now you can see it's a success. Continue and let it be whatever is coming default and escape. So now I will have to change here the themes. So that was Boost Union in my case. So yes, now you can see the look and feel is coming like earlier it was appearing. So if I log out, I can see whatever was coming earlier. So this is how you can fix the issue of this particular plugin that is appearing in the Moodle 4.5. Thanks.